Hey everybody, welcome back. This is George, Florida Railroad Dog from the Roman Nickel Railroad. This is a special request, a building, which I don't know if I'm gonna sell it to the public or if you're gonna have to get it directly through the museum. But this is gonna be for Middletown, New Jersey station. This is the old version. And if you get this kit, it's gonna come with the structure, the roofs, the base, which has that wood feel, windows, doors, signage, awning, little entry lights, some chimneys, and a bunch of other details to it. First thing we're gonna do with this building is put the windows and the doors. I'm not gonna glue the building to the base. These windows, they literally just pop in. So I would pop them in, put them flush. Just do all the windows, and if you have trouble getting them in, just make sure you clean out the excess filament. There might be excess filament in the windows. Let me go ahead, put all the windows and the doors, and we'll be back. Okay, so we have all the windows and the doors in. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna glue all the window trims and the door trims. We'll do that and we'll be back. Okay, so we put all the window trims and the door trims. These ones here, according to the pictures, they don't take any. Now this front door, I included a door trim, but this is gonna take this entryway here. So I'm gonna cut the window trim, and I'm gonna just add it from here to here and from here to here. Let me do that and I'll be back and show you. Okay, so what I did was I cut the window trim, and instead of putting it on the top like this, I just cut it and I just put a long stick on each side. You could do it however you want, but that's the way I want to do it. And basically that's the next thing we're going to do is we're going to glue this little roof . So there she is. And then you're gonna get one of the little black lights. A little dab of glue. And according to the it's got a little bit of hair. And you put these little lights, one on each side. That's according to the picture. And moving along, now we're gonna put the shutters, one on each side of the windows. I leave a little bit, like a 16th gap in each. Let me go ahead and do that. And moving along. Okay, so once you got all the shutters in, nice, starting to look nice. Then you get these signs, and you're gonna put one on each, centered above each door, or each window, I'm sorry. There you go. Moving on. Now we're gonna have this other sign's gonna go in the back. You can either do it two ways. You could glue it here, or you could glue it on the roof. We're gonna go ahead and glue it there, that way it doesn't fall off. The movement of the center it above the door and the light. According to them, this is the original colors. What we have left is the roofs, the awnings, and the chimneys, and a little bit of the trim. Roof comes in two pieces. We're gonna glue it right there, and then we're gonna glue the other half. I would put glue here, here, and then glue one half, and then you could either overlap these, or you could put them. You could either overlap them, or you could put them as you like. So let me go ahead and do that, and we'll be back. Okay, moving along. What I did was that I overlapped them. You can see I put one on top of the other. It's got that nice little lip. And that's basically it. This little awning is going to go right here. We'll glue that right there. We got the two chimneys that'll go, one will go right there, and the other one will go right over here. And then you got this dug thing that goes over here on this corner. Let me do that, and I'll be back, and we'll be done. And there she is, after the awning and that little sign like in the picture. And there's your Middletown station. Once you put it in the base, like I said, I didn't glue it to the base just in case they want to add lights or whatever. And hopefully this will go in their museum, in the Middletown train station museum. Here she is. Another successful build. Hey, like always, happy railroading. Bye.